Good morning students, very good morning to you all and wish you happy new year to you all. So in previous class we discussed about the health infrastructure. Under that, as comparing to the 1951-2017 only, in India health infrastructure is developed and healthily. So like a hospital, government hospitals also increased, develop agitri. Next dispensaries means medical kuda enaiti increase agitri anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So today class we discuss about the private sector health infrastructure. So in India private sector health infrastructure state what about that. So here more than 70% private sector hospitals in India. So more than 70% hospitals private sector hospitals leading in India anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Next only 30% government hospitals ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರೆ health services na ಕೊಡಾತಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Next hospital beds of the private sectors. So 2/5 ಏನ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2/5 private sector hospital beds available are in India. Next dispensaries means medicals or medicines. 60% medicals medicines available in India private sector. Dispensaries means medicals or medicines ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Next outpatients. So outpatients means ಒಳರೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಳರೋಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಹೊರರೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So outpatients ನ 80% ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ private sector and inpatients means admit ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ patients ಗೆ 46% ಅಷ್ಟು private sector health services ನ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Next in 2002 to 2002. So 2001 ಇಂದ 2002 ಮಟ್ಟ ಎಷ್ಟು in India 30 lakh medicals are there in India private sector. Next Indian system of medicine ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Indian system of medicine ISM. So one marks ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ expand ISM ಅಂತ Indian system of medicine. So in that Indian system of medicine there is a mainly six medicines are there. There is a mainly six medicines are there like Ayurveda already we know that it is the old system medicine in India, and yoga, unani, siddha and naturopathy and homeopathy, and there is a ayush anta kuda ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ayush would be Indian system of medicine ISM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ISM contains the six medicines is that Ayurveda, yoga, unani, siddha, naturopathy and homeopathy. So these are the six medicines comes under the ISM which provide the health services. So these are the old Indian system medicines anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ medicines ಇಲ್ಲಿ Indian systems of medicine ISM. So here private sector lead more than the government sector hospitals anta in India. So private sector ಇಲ್ಲಿ more than ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ government hospital health services na provide ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. So private sector hospitals includes like various types of medicals, medicines and various types of doctors like diagnostics, and there is a manufacturing is also good in private sector hospitals. Here more than 70% private sector hospitals in India, and there is a hospital beds means private sector hospitals 2/5 state in India. Next dispensaries means medicals available in India 60%, and outpatients ಒಳರೋಗಿ ಹೊರರೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So outpatients ನ 80% ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ inpatients ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ patients ಗೆ 46% ಅಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ in 2001 to 2 there is a 13 lakh medicals in India private sector. So private sector the 13 lakh medicals ಅದಾವ in India. Next there is a Indian systems of medicine ISM. There is a mainly six medicines comes under the ISM which is Ayurveda, yoga, unani, siddha, naturopathy and homeopathy. Next is the ISM term. So ISM ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯುಷ್ ಕೂಡ comes under the ISM Indian systems of medicine. So here in India total hospitals of the Ayush. So Ayush hospitals total 3943 hospitals Ayush. Next dispensaries like medicals and medicines available in India Ayush 27,700, and registered practitioners Ayush doctors 7.4 lakhs in one diseases comes under the global burden of diseases. Next, inadequate malnutrition. So means nutrition ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ means adequate malnutrition to the children. So children ಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಸಿಗಲಾರದ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ around 2.2 million death of children per year. So this is about the GBD. GBD includes some communicable diseases like diarrhea, malaria, tuberculosis, and 5 lakh children will die because of the waterborne diseases. So waterborne diseases comes under the some malaria ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ tuberculosis ಇವುದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ children's death ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Next AIDS and HIV also comes under the GBD. Next, inadequate malnutrition because of children death in India ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Today class we discuss about the private sector health infrastructure in India. So here more than 70% private sector hospitals is there in India. So 70%, more than 70% private sector dore ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ health infrastructure providing to the public, and there is a 2/5 of hospitals bed available to the people, and as well as 80% private sector hospitals providing the health service to the outpatients, and inpatients 46%. And we discussed about the in 2001 to 2002 there is a 13 lakh medical enterprises private sector hospitals in India, and ISM. So ISM means Indian Systems of Medicine anta heltivi. So it includes the six main medicines like yoga, unani, siddha, ayurveda, naturopathy and homeopathy. So these are the 6 medicines comes under the ISM, and Ayush is also comes under the Indian System Medicine. So Ayush kuda ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ISM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ GBD ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಬರ್ಡನ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ which includes the communicable diseases, and there is a next there is a AIDS and HIV is also comes the GBD, and every year 2.2 million children death ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. Why? Because there is a inadequate malnutrition ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. In the next class we discuss about the urban and rural, poor and rich health infrastructure providing the health service to the public. Thank you.